Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Windows 10 without password. First, hold down Shift key. Don't leave Shift key, then restart your system. Click on Troubleshoot. Reset this PC. Remove everything. Click here. This step takes a few seconds. This page will appear for you. Reset this PC. It will also take a few seconds. If you want to remove all drive, click here. If you want to remove just Windows, click here. Only this drive where Windows is installed, click here. Then click here, just remove my file. I want to say, if you have any file on drive C, you will remove all your file. Then click here. Click on reset. This step takes a lot of time. Now Windows installation is start. This step also take a few moments. Click on yes. Yes. Escape. I don't have internet. Continue with limit step. Accept. Enter your username. Enter your password. Next. Confirm your password. Next. Answer this 3 questions. Next. Second one. Third one. Next. Yes. Yes. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. If you want to install Windows 10 with flash USB drive, then watch this video. Now you successfully reset your Windows 10.